Hi everyone, today I'm making my version of glutinous rice balls with coconut milk, or we call it bilo-bilo. Tambong or kinitaan. I added water on the glutinous rice powder and mixed together. And start to do balls like what I'm doing now. That's me, enjoying what I'm doing. And that's it. I'm done doing the balls. I'm peeling sweet potato. I think one is enough. These are plantains. You can use other kind like soba if that's available. These are all the ingredients that I need for this recipe: jackfruit, plantains, sweet potato, glutinous rice balls, vanilla, coconut cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and sago. Put the coconut milk on the pot. Stir it. Add the glutinous rice balls into the pot. I'm pouring 1 can of evaporated milk. One more. Stir it to mix everything. Add the sweet potato. Add the plantains. Better use the ripe one cause it is sweeter. What I have is not so ripe. That's what available in the stores. I just grab it. Add the vanilla extract to give a yummy smell. At this time add condensed milk according to the sweetness that you prefer. Add the jackfruit. Lastly, the cooked sago. Taste it if it's yummy, and that's it. Ready to be served.
It tastes so good.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.